Finding a good job is a basic need for almost everyone. Meanwhile, all kinds of companies from startup to well-established are eager to look for highly qualified candidates. It is time-consuming and inefficient for both sides to search what they want among large volumes of information. This project, Career Helper, provides a platform for people seeking jobs to search and apply for jobs, and for employers who need great people to post their opening positions. There is also a role called headhunter who gather information of job seekers and make recommendations and referral to employers. We used React to build our front end and Spring Boot and JPA to build the middle tier. We used REST web services to map requests from front end to middle tier for all different CRUD operations. For database, we used MySQL. In our data model, we have 3 different types of end users: applicant, recruiter, and headhunter, and they all inherit the base user class. We use the table per class strategy to implement the generalization and specification relation. A company has a list of jobs. Both these two domain objects are imported from a dataset publicly available on Kaggle. When reading the file, we first read and store the company. Then we read and store job information and build the one-to-many relation between companies and jobs. A recruiter belongs to a company. When a recruiter registers, he or she will fill out the company name, where we can establish the one-to-many relation between company and the recruiters. An applicant can browse, search for, and apply to multiple jobs. Once the application is submitted, it will be displayed on applicant's profile page, and the applicant can change the status such as mark as complete. Applicant and the job has a many-to-many relation, and they are related by application. Here, applicant also has a self-referential relation. That is, an applicant can follow one to many other applicants. A recruiter can view all applications to jobs of his or her company with the applicant information. He or she can then select applicant for interview. Interviews will be displayed on profile pages of both recruiters and applicants, but only recruiters can cancel or modify it. A headhunter can recommend an applicant to a recruiter. This task is accomplished by filling emails of both users. We will then find a correspondent user and build the relation. Recommendations will be listed on profile pages of headhunters and recruiters. Only headhunters can delete or modify it. There's also an admin role who has the privilege of CRUD users, domain objects, and relations.